What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So let's get started with this. So I'm just putting those mounting squares on the sign. Lobbing that glue all the way around that sign. Let's make our bow next. So we're gonna measure a 7-inch tail first. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start working in with an 8-inch loop. Pinch and twist. And then another 8-inch loop. So we're gonna do 2 8-inch loops, 4 9-inch loops, and then 2 10-inch loops. Okay, our 9-inch loop. So we did 4 loops of 9 inches. Now we're moving up to our 10 inches. Okay, so then I want to come in with 11-inch loops. So now we've done our 8-inch loops, our 9-inch loops, 10-inch, and now we're going to come in with 4 11-inch loops. So I want this bow really big. Okay, so I do want to add a tail, and I'm going to measure out, let's say, a good 32 inches. So I measure out 32 inches, and I'm going to pinch at that 32-inch mark, come back through, and set that pinch right back behind that ribbon. Pinch and twist it. Then I'm going to make a 12-inch tail, not a 10-inch tail. Okay. If you wanted to use zip ties, you can, but you do get pipe cleaners in this kit, y'all. So I am going to twist that together. Okay, and then I want to cut this tail. So I'm dovetailing my ribbons. Okay, so that's what our bow should look like. Okay, really nice, pretty bow. So now our sign should be ready to go and dry. Like I said, you are gonna get an oval grapevine wreath for this kit. And all I'm doing is just running that pipe cleaner through those mounting squares. Okay. And I still want to see some of the grapevine up at the top, so I'm gonna put this going right across this grapevine. And attach the sign on one side, and then we'll attach it on the other side. So just running those pipe cleaners through that grapevine, y'all. trimming those pipe cleaners. So I'm going to come through. Now I'm going to add my bow right down here at the bottom. Well, not the bottom, but to the left-hand side of this grapevine. Okay, so in this kit, like I said, you do get 2 of these greenery stems. Y'all, this stem is really nice and pretty. We all love this stem this weekend. I know the girls did. I know I do. And I know Damon likes this stem as well. It's a really pretty stem. Just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on that lower part of that stem. I'm gonna come up right back behind that bow and stick that right into that grapevine. Okay, so I am gonna cut this spray in pieces. Y'all, I'm not gonna add those curls in there just like that. Y'all know Jordan's Mr. Extra. Gotta do something different. So you can add those curls in like that if you wanted to, but I'm not going to. My curls are gonna be a little bit longer. Okay. So coming in between those, that floral stem that we added in, and I'm going to stick this in to that grapevine. So I really like how this added that little touch of whimsy. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reverse the coloring. So we put the pink ones up on the top. And now I want to put some purple and pink down here on the bottom. Okay, so moving some of that greenery, that floral stem. You know, like I said, that's one of our, this new one that came into the warehouse, and we absolutely love it. I love it. Okay. But y'all, look how pretty that came out. Look how cute that came out. It is perfect. It's ready for its Easter egg hunt, y'all. Just clean the back up a little bit.